Hi everyone, I'm Ali from Kumudu's Kitchen. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own Lunchables. I'm going to show you how with just a tin and a couple of supplies you can make your own Lunchables. The type of Lunchables that we are going to be making today are the crackers with the ham and the cheese. All you're going to need is a tin, some cheese. I am using slices, some turkey or ham. You're also going to need some sort of round shape, just so that it makes cutting easier. I'm just using a measuring cup that's about the size of the Ritz, so it's just a tiny bit smaller. Obviously you're going to need your crackers. We're using Ritz and also some of these. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is cutting the cheese. Grab a slice and I'm going to place it on my cutting board. Then you're going to take whatever kind of circular object you're using. I'm going to try and fit as many as possible, so I'm lining it up edge with edge, and then you're going to pop. So then you are going to grab your tin. I'm putting all the cheese and ham in this one, and then I'll put the crackers here. And with mine, I'm able to just squeeze and it pops out. And I'm just going to stack the cheese just so that I get that, you know, original Lunchables feel. And so I'm just going to continue doing this. Okay, so I'm done cutting up the cheese, and now you're going to move on to ham. So, or turkey or whatever you're using. So I have turkey here. Okay, so I'm going to fold it in half. There. So you're just going to keep doing this until you either finish all the ham or turkey or whatever you're using, or until you decide to stop. Now, if you are just making this for yourself, obviously you do not need to make 4 stacks of cheese. I don't have nearly as much turkey as I do cheese, but I think we are going to go on one last shopping trip before we leave. So I'm going to demonstrate just how I would eat them. So I'm just going to grab my Ritz crackers. If you have cut things to a right size, then this should be pretty easy. So I'm going to place a piece of cheese and top it with a piece of ham. And now you can also add another piece of cheese, which we're probably going to end up doing, which is why we have double the amount of cheese. And then you place it. Try it. Hi, thanks for watching this video. We're so glad that you watched, and if you're still here, please make sure to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, possibly give it a thumbs up. Here will be a video, and here will be a chance for you to subscribe. It means so much to us, and just thank you for all your support.